Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the BISSELL Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert Spin Mop Cleaner 18 volts. If you've ever dealt with stubborn, sticky messes on your hard floors, this cordless mop promises to bring a new level of convenience and performance to your cleaning routine. But does it live up to the claims? Let's find out. This Spinwave mop is designed to tackle all types of sealed hard floors, from wood to tile to linoleum. With a 20-minute runtime, it offers cordless freedom, so you don't have to worry about finding an outlet or tripping over a cord as you move through your space. It's all about easy, uninterrupted cleaning. But how does it perform when you actually get down to cleaning the dirt and spills? One of the standout features is its targeted stain removal. The on-demand spray feature lets you dispense BISSELL's formula with a simple push of a button. This is ideal for more concentrated messes. Think sticky food spills or grime buildup. It's not just about cleaning, it's about precision. You get the power to apply cleaning solution exactly where you need it, helping you get rid of tough stains and grime without wasting product. As far as maneuverability goes, the Spinwave doesn't disappoint. Its lightweight design, paired with swivel steering, makes it easy to navigate around furniture and baseboards. The mop's compact build allows you to clean those tricky corners and tight spaces that other, bulkier mops might struggle with. If you've ever had a mop that feels too heavy or cumbersome to push around, you'll appreciate the ease of this one. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. The Spinwave is perfect for light to moderate messes across a variety of sealed hard floors. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen tile or a spill in the living room, the mop's cordless design ensures you're not tethered to a power outlet. When it comes to tougher messes, though, the on-demand spray really shines. I tested it on sticky spots in the kitchen, and the combination of the formula with the spinning mop pads did a decent job of breaking down the mess. The formula isn't overpowering in terms of scent, which is a bonus for those who are sensitive to strong smells. In terms of usability, the Spinwave handles pretty well, especially considering it's designed for lighter-duty tasks compared to heavy-duty scrubbers or vacuums. However, the 20-minute runtime might not be enough for larger homes or extensive cleaning sessions, particularly if you've got multiple rooms to cover. If you're cleaning a couple of rooms, you're good to go, but for bigger spaces, you may find yourself recharging the mop before finishing the job. When it comes to maintaining this device, you're in luck. It includes 4 reusable mop pads, which are a big plus in terms of both sustainability and convenience. The mop pads are washable, so you won't need to constantly buy replacements. Plus, BISSELL throws in 2 trial-size cleaning solutions, enough for about 4 full cleaning sessions, so you can get started right away without running to the store. But not everything is perfect. The Spinwave is really designed for sealed floors, so it's not the best option if you've got a mix of carpeted and hard floors. It won't do much to pick up dirt on rugs or thick carpets, which makes it more of a specialized tool for homes that mainly have hardwood, tile, or other hard floors. Additionally, while the 20-minute runtime is a plus for quick cleanups, it can feel limiting if you're looking to do a big job. Now, how does the Spinwave stack up against similar products on the market? In its price range, it competes with other cordless floor cleaners, but what sets it apart is the 18-volt battery that offers decent runtime and the on-demand spray for targeted cleaning. Other models in this category may not offer as precise a cleaning experience, especially when it comes to stain removal. However, there are some similarly priced options, like the Hoover FloorMate, which might offer longer runtime, but without the focused stain removal feature. You might also look at the Shark Cordless Floor Cleaner, which has a slightly higher price, but could be more appealing if you're after extra attachments or a longer cleaning time. In terms of value for money, the BISSELL Spinwave holds its ground if you primarily need a cleaner for sealed hard floors. It's lightweight, easy to use, and provides adequate cleaning power for everyday messes. However, for the price, if you need something that can also tackle carpets or offer longer cleaning sessions, you might find better options out there. But for its intended purpose, light-duty cleaning of sealed hard floors, this model delivers. In terms of build quality, the Spinwave feels solid but not overly robust. It's clearly built to be lightweight, which means it's not as heavy-duty as some other floor cleaners. The plastic doesn't feel flimsy, but it doesn't have the premium heft that some higher-end models might offer. The mop pads are easy to attach and remove, and the tank is simple to fill and empty. Maintenance is straightforward, and as long as you clean the pads and regularly clear the nozzle, it should stay in good working condition. I haven't needed to contact BISSELL's customer support for any issues, but the company has a generally solid reputation when it comes to after-sales service. If you ever need to get in touch, chances are you'll be met with helpful responses. Still, it's always a good idea to double-check warranty details, as that can vary by region. So who exactly is this mop for? If you have mostly sealed hard floors and are looking for a quick and efficient way to clean up everyday messes, the BISSELL Spinwave is a solid choice. It's lightweight, versatile, and offers a lot of convenience with its cordless design. But if you need something more robust for larger areas or mixed flooring, you might want to look elsewhere. For those who prioritize easy handling and focused stain removal, though, it delivers. Thanks for watching. If you're considering picking up the BISSELL Spinwave, check the comments box below for more details. Have you used this mop before? Drop your experiences and questions there. I'd love to hear what you think. Goodbye till next time, and may your floors always shine with ease.